Welcome back, guys, and well done for making it to the end of your course. So, what is your final project in order to get to your certificate? Firstly, we would like you to finish the example that we created in chapter 1, which was this complete layout of the 5 pages, including the 2 DPS or double page spreads. Together with that, you're going to create the final interactive document, which we discussed in chapter 3, together with its menu system, with its videos, with its interactivity, with its sound. You're also going to complete the main infographic example. Now, what you need to send us is the published online links. Okay, so it'll be 3 of them. And just to reiterate, to publish in our online, we go to File, we go to Publish Online, we tell it which pages to export, and we then publish the publication. Once published, it will return a link, and we can view that document online, and there it is. Now, you need to send us this link in the URL. Okay. So for the first layout, we have that layout. And for the second one, you will send us the infographic